I think the burgers are a little well done. I wish I had more patties. Unfortunately, all the yellow Play-Doh went towards these fries, which ended up looking a little like flatworms in a bowl. I'm assuming you like lettuce and cheese. Let's see. That is a pretty good looking burger, I'd say. Yeah, I only really have enough for 2 burgers. Did you even know they made black Play-Doh? It seems kind of bizarre. It looks a little gross, but it looks it looks good for well done burgers, I think. No red in this particular set, which is a little disturbing. This is just purple now. Let's see. Wish I could figure out a way to make a drink of some sort. Then I could have a complete combo meal. I don't know what to do with the rest of these. I should make more patties with some other color. Maybe I could do like, I don't know. It's tough to figure out.